And we can see that the way in which we take in and see and absorb and work with information depends very much on the way the brain is functioning at any given time, and the brain is functioning in relation to the rest of the body, and the brain and the body is functioning in relation to the external environmental experience. And this, I see, is where you're working very hard. Who are you? What are you? How are you? How can you better?
Yes, yeah, exactly. And where are you in terms of, are you coming from that survival brain? Are you feeling more hyper alert that day, feeling uncomfortable? Have past memories been activated where you're starting to, remember where things didn't go so well? Or are you more relaxed? Did you sleep well? Are you able to be more self-aware and know the difference as well? Which is, I think, really critical, so that if people are in that survival system, or for little people, I call it the worry brain, if that's happening, well, then, okay, what do I need? That really important thing. What do I need right now, and how do I get that need met? And I think curiosity for me is very right brain stuff, that sense of being creative and feeling connected, and mindfulness, yoga, drawing, music, all those wonderful things, to then be able to then say, okay, I'm back, okay, and how can I meet that need and be kind to the self rather than beating up on the self, which is so important. But that's what I find is helpful. I had a beautiful quote from an 8-year-old girl who looked at me after I explained about the worry brain and the smart brain, and she said, I can see the problem, Rita. I think my smart brain and worry brain aren't friends. Can you help me make them friends? And I thought, absolutely, what a beautiful quote. I did get permission from her to say, can I repeat this? And her mum said, okay, and I say that wherever I can, because to me that summarises the whole thing. We're not fighting the brain. We're not going positive and negative and challenge. It's more about, yeah, okay, the worry brain or our survival system is activated because we're feeling scared. Something doesn't feel right. So rather than get diagnosed with something, we say, okay, how can we help you feel safe, and what do you need? And let's engage and connect there. Then when you feel more comfortable, right, now here comes the learning, and it's usually at a really high level.
Well, if you want to know more about the science of psychotherapy, come across to our website, thescienceofpsychotherapy.com, and our podcast of the same name, and learn more about the science of you.